Hi everyone, this is a KPI dashboard I built entirely in Excel, no VBA, no macros. This is what most small business data looks like, almost 4,000 of transactions across 3 years, dates in 3 different formats, missing values everywhere, and approximately over 650 expense records with no structure and no visibility. Let's fix this. Let's turn this mess into a dashboard that actually tells you how your business is doing. If you have ever stared at data like this and thought I have no idea if my business is actually profitable, this dashboard is built for you. So first I'm going to clean the data using Power Query, fixing those mixed formats in one click. And then we are going to build the engine behind the whole dashboard. These are pivot tables connected to the data model. This is what makes everything instant through one click. And then later we are going to create interactive slicers, one click filters the entire dashboard by year, month, channel, or product category. Building this from scratch took me approximately over 15 hours. The template saves you all of that. Just plug in your data and you're set. Now we are going to create the KPI cards of total sales, orders, gross profit, net profit, average order value, cost of goods sold and operating expenses, all updating dynamically through pivot tables and slicers. To set the actual targets of revenue and our gross profit margins across 3 years, and these are total dynamic, so we can change it later on if we want. Now we are going to connect our slicers with our pivot, and we are going to create a revenue versus targets chart showing actual performance against monthly targets with achievement percentage as well. Now we're going to analyze our channel revenue trends over time to identify and spot which channels are growing and which channels are declining throughout the period. We're going to do the same for our category options to analyze which categories are performing and which are not. Now we are going to create our average order volume and average order value trend to identify whether customers are buying more or spending less on our products. Now we are going to do the same for our operating expenses in order to create data model and create pivot tables from those data models. Now the region-wise performance, which region is performing and which are not. By this we can identify where to put our ads, even if we are going to put ads, in order to strategize how we can analyze our performance or revenue across the all regions. Now we are going to build the profitability waterfall. This shows exactly how revenue flows through costs to your net profit. This is what separates a professional dashboard from a basic spreadsheet, the profitability waterfall. I have built these dashboards like this for clients who paid $500 or more. This template gives you the same level of reporting for a fraction of that. The link is in description and stay tuned for the weekly updates. Subscribe for more.